92.9 The Game.
Sports Radio 92.9 The Game.
John and Hugh, mornings.
We are joined this morning, as we are every week at this time, by the general manager of the Atlanta Hawks, Travis Schlankfer. Hey, Travis.
Trav.
Gentlemen, how you guys doing today?
Pretty good. Well, me, Trav, you know I got hair now. Just in case you didn't know that, I went to the North Atlanta hair restoration, and I got some hair.
I didn't know that. Congratulations.
Yeah, I got me some hair now, Trav. Yeah, because, I got hair now. I got hair. I just wanted to share.
As somebody without hair, I can appreciate how excited you sound.
John and Hugh mornings.
Or catch up anytime with the radio.com app.
You never know when winter's gonna rear its icy head. So make sure you're fully equipped with enough all-wheel drive courage to put the bitter cold in its rightful place. And with so many cold-conquering cars and SUVs, winter might just have to keep an eye out for you this year. Head into your local Kia dealer and get great deals on our new lineup of all-wheel drive vehicles like the 2021 Sportage, Telluride, K5, Stinger, and Seltos. Hurry into Kia's President's Day sales event and get 0% APR for 75 months on the purchase of a 2021 Sportage. So this season, make sure you're ready with enough all-wheel drive fueled courage to bravely go where others just won't. Kia. Give it everything.
Call 800-334-KIA for details. 0.9% APR financing for 36 to 75 months from Kia Motors Finance and approved credit for purchase of a new 2021 Sportage for qualified buyers. $13.33 per month per 1,000 financed at 75 months. No down payment required. Subject to dealer participation. Must take delivery by 3/1/21. A SunTrust.
Why didn't you stop? Yes, it was me.